Hi everyone, I'm Daniel. I work at the local Environmental Protection Agency, and one of the most helpful contacts I got through First Friday, or through Alejandro respectively, is the one to Philipp Meuser. Philipp is an engineer who founded a startup that is trying to implement SDG number 14, life below water. And he does that through his invention. He and his friend Albert, they invented a device that is blowing air into lakes powered by solar energy. It's pretty innovative and very promising in terms of restoring ecological quality of lakes. So I provided Philip and his friend Albert with the contacts and with the permits necessary in order to put their idea into practice in the county of Brandenburg. Yeah, and let's wait for 1 or 2 years how the result of this pilot project will turn out. And who knows, in the end, we may say that First Friday did indeed successfully trigger the local implementation of SDG number 14. Cheers.